Okay guys, depan saya ada razrig, ada nasir. Dan saya buat apa? Yes! Sprinter is back!
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me...
Price, let's go! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Aduh.
Hari ni kita bukan nak berlesen, kita jalan-jalan je.
Memang jalan-jalan je.
Kita orang semua dah ada lesen. Come on, sprinter is back bro.
Aduh.
So ini adalah first trial kita triple prop. So suasana mesti agak bingit sikit.
Rasa kalau macam V8 punya, dia boleh cakap 2 orang je. Kalau yang macam kau punya V8 kan, boleh cakap 3 orang. Yang V6 boleh cakap 2 orang. So dia jadi kepala kau kot. So dia makan banyak power kan kau. Okay, sebab tu kot
Banyak power
lebih kurang lah. Laju sampel ni harap macam dah.
Takkan tertinggal kot. Sprinter je kot. Masa epic ride kena tinggal kot berapa tiang.
Wah.
Korang dengar ke suara apa bunyi exhaust kuat tu?
Memang. Aku sepu punya tak clear sangat. Tapi kau nya clear. Sepu punya macam jauh sikit.
Aku punya dua-dua clear.
Beza-beza lah.
Beza-beza. Aku punya, korang punya dua-dua semua clear.
Sebab kau ke depan kot.
Boy, bising tu exhaust. Siap betul.
Tak dengar apa-apa ni.
Boleh dengar tu korang punya mic.
Bising kan?
Bising. Aku rasa aku duduk belakang elok kot. Ni jalan straight je kot.
Tapi kau kena tunjuk jalan tu.
Dah, jalan ni straight je. Tak ada kiri, tak ada kanan.
Asyik ada depan.
Ya, nanti lepas jalan clear ni baru depan. Sekarang ni banyak traffic light. Straight je.
Okay.
Kau bawa mirrorless je.
Korang bawa kamera ke?
Aku bawa.
Tak bawa tu.
Kau tak bawa man?
Tak, sebab bag ni dah bocor lah. Tak berani nak bawa.
Mula.
Makan mana weh? Aku dah lapar tanya.
Sabar. Relax. Tadi kita makan kat KKB lah nanti. Tapi kat KKB aku tengok mamak je. Okey kan mamak kan?
Okey, tak ada hal.
Apa kata kita racun dah meh? Ada MSC biru meh, lawa meh.
Oh, R15 lah. Grom. Weh, mahal tu.
Apa hal ni? Weh, wakil tu. Alamak, awak ni weh. Ni macam baru jadi ni.
Tu ada.
Ingat malam tadi tu.
Berterabur.
Motor TBO macam tu lah.
Sleeper pun lagi tu. Jalan. Tak ni.
Tak juga
boleh ni aje. Bunyi dia sama lebih kurang macam pucalnya motor.
Pucal dia lagi bising lah.
Adalah nak sampai tahap level tu lah. Ni berapa kilometer ni Sepul?
Allah adam lah. Tak kira pula. Nanti
setahun lagi lah.
Agak-agak bila kau kahwin tu?
Setahun weh.
Kau pun macam nasir juga kan? Part-part juga kan?
Jauh lagi ke?
Jauh tu. Ni baru dah sampai Batang Kali.
Ya Allah, jalan tu menarik sangat. Harap. Weh.
Taklah. Bukan tu. Kalau rawang tadi apa, kat dekat exit Rawang tu kawasan aku lah.
Bukan Izzuannya kawasan
Bukan.
Bukan
Izzuan Batang Kali
Dah lepas lah.
Izzuan Batang Kali sini
Sini kawasan dia
ni budak-budak Izzuan ni.
Itu ada.
Kenapa?
Tengok mahal
Bandar Baru Batang Kali.
Semalam aku driving 10 jam tu. Gila.
Pergi mana?
Kuantan.
Lah. Shoot ke apa?
Wedding.
Meh, bila nak beli pump bike, Meh? Bila nak beli pump bike?
Susah. Banyak halangan. Selalu banyak halangan. Ada. Layan je.
Okay guys, kita dah sampai ke KKB. Kuala Kubu baru.
Aku dengar saya jauh dah.
Jadi corner dia tak best tu. Dia beralun.
Dia santai di corner.
Tu dia. Budak bawa motor besar, budak ambil lesen.
Sini.
Korang nak makan kat sini ke?
Boleh tak?
Ni. Kan banyak kedai depan ni.
Ke depan hari tu kita lalu sini lah Sih.
Okay, belah kiri ni. Motor kecil dia parking. Oh ya, hari ni saya nak tengok Nasir dengan Amir ni lah. Ambil lesen. Sini. Boleh. Surut sikit. Oh ni ada space ni. Ada space ni. Awas. Okay guys, kita dah sampai ke PSami. Kita nak tengok Amir dengan Nasir ambil lesen. Okay guys, saya selesai teman Nasir dengan Amir. Dia nak ambil lesen, saya tolong saya teman je. Tak, sekarang ni saya macam pelik. Ada motor besar tak ada lesen, apa korang ni? Malulah weh. Stall.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gonna lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gonna stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm